Hello and welcome to Just the Chords. Today we are looking at I Can Fix Him, parentheses, no really I can, by Taylor Swift. This is an easy song. We're going to look at the chords first, and then the progressions or the patterns we put those chords into. And then lastly, we'll look at the whole song's tutorial. And those 3 moments are in the description and the key moments below. Let's get to it. The first 3 chords of the song all have a 5 after the letter, meaning we only want the root note and the 5th note above it. So with our thumb and pinky, we'll start on a D5, that's D and A. D5, just D and A. After that, it wants an E5, just E and B. E5, E and B. And then a B5, B and F sharp. B and F sharp for the B5. Those are all the chords that get us through the verses. At the start of the chorus, we'll do a regular D major, D, F sharp, A, D major, D, F sharp, A, to an E major, E, G sharp, B, to a C sharp minor, C sharp, E, G, C sharp, E, G sharp, my mistake for C sharp minor, and an F sharp minor, F sharp, A, C sharp, for F sharp minor, F sharp, A, C sharp. And those are all the chords of the piece. Let's look at them in some patterns. For the verses, like I mentioned, it only needs the 5s. So we start on that D5. I'm putting some roots in my left hand, the Ds, just to add some extra texture. E5, keeping those E roots. E and B in my right hand. And then that B5. In time, it's my D5, E5, E5, D5, E5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Choruses, like I said, start out on that D major, D, F sharp, A. Once again, putting the roots in my left hand. Every 2 beats, we change the chord like this. It's D, E, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, D, E, F sharp minor, D, E, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, D, E, F sharp minor. So it's a little back and forth. Either it's all 4 chords, or we take out that 3rd one, the C sharp minor, and then we just do D, E, F sharp minor, alternating. Let's take a look at this whole song. It's a pretty short one. It starts on that D5 with a root. Ready, we get 1, 2, 3, go. Verse 1. Chorus. D, E, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, D, E, F sharp minor. Repeat that. D, F sharp minor. Verse. Last time. Chorus. They should have said God when I tell them he's not me. First pattern D, E, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, D, E, F sharp minor, D, E, F sharp minor, D, E, C sharp minor, F sharp minor, D, E, F sharp minor. that's it. A very dark, minor, heavy song. Go through that again. Practice makes better. I loved playing with you today. I'll see you on the next video. Play on!